Hello friends, today we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. Number 1, copy. This is my copy. This is my copy. Number 2, bus. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. Number 3, ride. They ride their bikes. They ride their bikes. Number 4, fly. We fly kites daily. We fly kites daily. Number 5, read. I read a book. I read a book. Number 6, sing. He sings a song. He sings a song. Number 7, drive. She drives a car. She drives a car. 8. Number 8, map. I can't study the map of India. I can't study the map of India. Number 9, run. Horses run very fast. Horses run very fast. Number 10, printer. My printer is not working. My printer is not working. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.